All right, looking at properties in Tequesta, Florida, this is a unique situation because Tequesta is actually located both in Palm Beach County and in Martin County, and it can be unincorporated or incorporated in either location. So, what you first have to do is look up the parcel control number, the first two digits. That's going to tell you what jurisdiction has the building department's going to be operating in. So you go to either one first. Let's go to Palm Beach County property appraisers first. Today's example is 111 Gulf View Drive. There it is, Tequesta. So we know that it's in Palm Beach County, right? However, you still have to look at the parcel control number. The PCN says 60. 60 is always going to be Tequesta, Village of Tequesta Building Department, not Palm Beach County Building Department. If it were 00, that would be unincorporated Palm Beach County, and that you go to a different link at the top, you would have seen that. However, this is in 60. So you, armed with that information, you go to our website, homestarinspectionsfl.com. You go to permit search, scroll down to Palm Beach County, and then all the cities are alphabetized, right? Keep on going down to Tequesta right here. And there's a reminder, PCN begins with 60. Click there. And again, put in the address. Gulf View Drive. Click search. And this is a unique website. This is unlike a lot of the other websites out there. All right, so here you go. 11 Gulf View Drive. Click on this. And here is the website. This is a different layout than all the others. You have your own information right here, projects, and then permits. Permits is what we're interested in. We want to see what type of permits there are. If there's been any open permits or if they're all finalized, you can see here they're all finalized on this column right here. The permit type is building, electrical, plumbing, electrical, mechanical, fire alarm, building. But there's also a second tab right here. You see that? So click on that. And there you go. First one on top here on this page is roof. That's what we're looking for. P09. It looks like it's from 2009. It was finalized. And there's a hyperlink to view all the way to the right. Click on that. And this type again is roof right there. Re-roof approximately 50, 67 square feet of tile to tile. So if there's a different roof material up there, let's say it's metal roof, you definitely want to check with the seller to see if there's another permit. These things aren't always accurate, but I would say given that roof is only 15 years old and the tile roofs have about a 25-year life expectancy, you have another 10 years of average life expectancy left on this roof. And there you go. That's what we need as inspectors. So if you're going to put an offer on this property, or if you're an agent looking to show this to your clients, you go here first, you find out the roof permit, and then you always verify that with the seller as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And you can try to click the back arrow here, and let's see if it goes back. Okay. Yeah, here we go. Okay. That second page, before we clicked on the roof permit, there was a building permit from 2019 that shows expired. You see that right there? So you want to ask the seller of this one, what is that about? A lot of title companies want you to close that out. So you can use this website for both verifying roof age and also looking up any expired permits. If you need our assistance, reach us through our website, homestarinspectionsfl.com. Happy hunting.